At the Multiverse, we're a very normal school. We're not communists. We would never do a DEI. Open source all of our classes on the internet? On our YouTube? No, we would never do that. That's socialism or communism. Both bad. Most of the people who go to my school have a gender, and it's the one that they had it when they were born. So, no way to get our classes for free on YouTube either, because we would keep those. So you have to apply to our classes and you have to get in. We're very strict about who gets to come. It's only for people who are really elite. Again, no DEI here, especially not the I part. And most everyone who comes to my school is very heteronormative. Normal people. Teach corporate company clouds here and not open source ones. And also, all of the tools that we teach you will use up so much fossil fuels and they're all integrated with Palantir, because Palantir is good. Alright, so that's the Multiverse School. Just remember that if anybody asks you, who seems super serious.